I don't wanna go to work cause my boss is a jerk and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Oh, hold my beer for me.
Hello vlog. This is Andrew, he's driving. So I'm Danielle. If you're new here, welcome. If you're coming back, welcome back. We do day in the life vlogs and adventure vlogs of all the places that we go and events and theme parks and stuff like that. So today, if you haven't watched our last video, we're on Chincoteague Island. It's day 4, and on the first day we tried to go to a place called Flamingos to eat and it was closed. So we're gonna try attempt number 2. Hopefully it's open. I'm really hoping it is because I'm craving this Hawaiian food. It looks so good. Also, we wanted to say thank you guys for subscribing. We're hitting over 100 subscribers. We hit over 100 on yesterday, I think. So yesterday we hit those 3 digits and we were super excited, and it's an awesome little milestone that we've hit. So we're both so happy that you guys have subscribed.
Hey,
so thank you.
If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and click that button for us. High five if you do. If you don't, high five anyway.
So today's video, I'll try to show you some more footage of the aircraft that we work on and the food if we get flamingos. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and let's get right into it.
Catch me if I fall. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive.
Hey guys, we're gonna start this thing up. We're gonna go crazy, get these pilots in here and get them the hell out of here.
I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, oh. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Let's go! Hey! Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, oh. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on, and I'm staying strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
Face on when I chase like that, yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me stack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me, come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun, and now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip with your name on it, but I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it.
I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
The pilot came out quick. Everybody did what they had to. We trained for it. And I feel good about what we did.